Hey guys, welcome back to Macintosh Weekly, and today in this video I'm gonna show how to install Ubuntu on Apple M1 or M2 Macs. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And now, let's begin. For installing Ubuntu on M1 or M2 powered Macs, you'll need Parallels version 18. You can download it from the link given under the description. After downloading the installer, open it. Now, open Parallels desktop and proceed with the installation. After installation is done, allow all the permissions required. Now, after reaching Installation Assistant, just click on Skip. In case you want to install Windows 11 on your M1 or M2 Mac, check out the video from the I button. Now, from here, you'll have some free system options in which Ubuntu is also included. Just click on the Download Ubuntu option and then proceed further. Now, after Ubuntu installation, you'll need to sign in to your Parallel account to proceed. Also, make sure to allow all the permissions required accordingly. And finally, we're on the Ubuntu login screen. Here, you'll need to create a strong password, and we'll need to verify it too. After logging into Ubuntu, you'll have a Run as Root dialog. Just enter your password and click on OK to proceed. After installing Parallels tools, click on Restart. And after restart, you're good to go with the newly installed Ubuntu. And now, as you can see, Ubuntu has been successfully installed and working on Apple Silicon-powered Mac. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.